Welcome to this special parent-principal team meeting space where open communication builds the foundation of a thriving school community.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm truly glad to see so many familiar and new faces today. Thank you for joining this tea conversation. It's not a formal meeting, it's a dialogue. A chance to listen, share, and grow together for the betterment of our children.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. It's comforting to be invited like this, it feels very personal.
Yes, it's rare to have such a relaxed setting to actually talk to the principal directly. That's exactly the idea. No microphones, no speeches, just tea, trust, and teamwork. Let me start by sharing some updates. Our students recently participated in the National Science Fair, and we're proud to say our school team secured second place.
That's amazing. My daughter came home so excited about that project.
They did brilliantly. We're working on further strengthening our STEM program next semester. We're also revamping our library, modern spaces with digital access, reading pods, and student-led book clubs. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts? Concerns? Suggestions?
I appreciate the academic progress, but I've noticed a few students stressed about performance. Are there plans to address student well-being?
That's an important point. We've partnered with a child psychologist who will visit twice a month, and we're introducing mindfulness sessions and unplugged days.
I think more communication from teachers would help. Sometimes we're unsure how our kids are doing until report cards come.
Absolutely. We're moving towards a monthly feedback system, not just grades, but notes on behavior, creativity, and participation. We're also planning a career week, inviting parents to share their professions and experiences. It helps students see the world beyond textbooks.
I'd love to participate. I'm an architect, I'd be happy to show them how creativity meets engineering.
Wonderful. That's exactly the spirit we need, community involvement.
Mr. Anderson, if these meetings come with this amazing tea, I'm attending every time.
We'll keep the tea flowing as long as the ideas keep coming. But on a sincere note, thank you for trusting us with your children. Education is a shared journey, and meetings like this remind me how powerful that partnership is.
When schools and parents work together, students don't just learn, they thrive. Join us again for more conversations that shape the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories from our school community.